Hey, there are 6 parts you need to know and understand. The first one is the first challenge, finding and deciding the niche. In fact, you have to choose a niche based on 3 things: passion, experience, and profit. So, you have to choose well the niche so that you can get money. After getting the niche, the following part is to know your niche well. That is so difficult, I agree. But do this. Go in YouTube research with a word that represents your niche. Then you will discover videos on that word. After that, see topics and subjects that are popular. Notice the channels that work on the niche and see how you may be unique on that niche. The third part is to know the most important step. The most important step is to acquire a skill. First start, then see how you may work on a skill, one aspect every week per video. I mean a skill of doing video, upload, and so on. The fourth part is to know the secret for more views. That is a challenge for everyone. Then you have to look for a view key, a SEO, that will help you to see which keywords will you be use, the keyword that is popular or is more popular at this time. So if you don't have money for that, you have just work hard. Be sure I am there to do that with you. The fifth part is to understand the YouTube algorithm. You may write on YouTube research, YouTube algorithm, and find interesting video on that. I will make a video on that in the future. And the last part of my experience is this: to know how to get the initial views. What you have to do is finding the most popular topic or subject. How? Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Next time, you will get the answer.